This compact CUV is called the Vision T. It was launched at the Los Angeles International Auto Show last year and really shows the Hyundai styling vision for the future coming models. As you see the car, it has a really great proportion to begin with. Long hood, level roof, and the short front overhangs, rear overhangs, and a stretched wheelbase. Based on this very nice foundation, we are creating some unique features around the vehicle. We call this Parametric Dynamics. So you chisel surface, combination of the softness and hardness create a very unique body side of the vehicle. Almost like a mineral core, it heated and it breaks, create very unique combination of the surface together. So this parametric character is all around the vehicle to make the car very dynamic. At the same time, a lot of unexpectedness, which creates a freshness in design. As we move to the front, this parametric dynamics character that continues to the front, and then we create something we call this integrated architecture. What it does is the whole front, the functional element, lamp, grille, the bumper, is all combining together to create very unique the face of the vehicle. And parametric dynamics becoming to the pattern. So it creates a nice grille pattern, and then it combines with the nice active air flaps. Almost when it's off, it's all closed. When it's on, it works, and almost like a living animal rather than just static machine in that sense. You might ask, where is the headlamp? Headlamps are hidden, and it's on only when it needs to. We call this a hidden jewel as a very important, very strong feature of the Hyundai design. The plane, the lamp as a unique signature for the brand design identity. Let's walk to the rear end of the car. Parametric character on the front that continues to the rear has a nice wedged, nice kick to it, adding a lot of speed to the vehicle. The pattern continues on the lamp. The rear tail lamp also hidden at the same time, so there's a consistency in the front and rear together. Lower side is actually the bumper area, but we actually executed in a way it looked like a more functional diffuser. So summary of this, we really wanted to create a Vision T as a sportiest, freshest, avant-garde CUV, the most dynamic CUV as a vision that we wanted to introduce.